Hello, everyone. My name is Valerie, and I'm the Outreach and Engagement Coordinator for Future Energy Systems. Welcome to It's Nice to Meet You, our series that allows you to get to know the researchers behind the amazing work of Future Energy Systems. Today, we're going to be talking with Dagem Haddis. Welcome, Dagem.
Thank you very much, Valerie. I'm so happy for inviting for this session.
And we are thrilled to have you. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, my name is Dagem Haddis, and I'm from Ethiopia. And now I'm currently a second-year PhD student at University of Alberta, and I have a master's degree in biochemical engineering, and also I have a bachelor degree in chemical engineering from Addis Ababa University. And I have been also a lecturer for 4 years, so I have a good interaction with the students. So,
yeah, you've done a lot of different things.
Yeah.
Amazing. And what are you studying here at the University of Alberta?
Well, now I'm studying bioresource and food engineering. And basically my research focused on producing a multiple product from a single raw materials, which is I use the agricultural waste or food product and convert that into energy and as well as biomaterials. So I focused on producing a multiple product from a single raw materials.
That's awesome. So multiple products can really help make it cheaper and more effective or efficient to produce.
Yeah, that has like a big impact on the biofuel industries. Because one of the major challenge in biofuel industries is the economic challenge. So they produce the energy, but it's too costly. So in order to overcome such kind of problem, we need to have an alternative approach. And that approach is to produce a multiple product from single feedstocks. Like we can produce bioethanol the same as we can also produce another product like a biomaterial, which is called cellulose nanocrystals.
Okay, and why did you decide to get into this field of work, working in biofuels?
Well, now we all are in the battle of or fighting against this global warming or air pollutions. So in that context, developing this, the renewable energy plays an important role. And one of the renewable energy is this bioethanol or biofuels. So helping these industries, the economical challenges are very important. So the main reason that I do this research is in order to bring a solution for economic challenge of the biofuel industries.
Wonderful. Yeah, renewable energy is really a discussion point, but there's so many little steps behind it that you have to solve before they can be effective.
Yeah.
And what's been your most exciting or interesting result so far that you found in your research?
That's a good question. And my most exciting moment was the first time that I developed this biorefinery strategy that are capable of producing both products. You know, it's a really good achievement. And it's really a good thing for the biofuel industries, like producing a multiple product from a single feedstock is a good thing for the biofuel industry. So that was the most exciting moment for me, because I produce like ethanol, bioethanol, and as well as biomaterial. This biomaterial also have a wide application in different industries. So that was an exciting moment for me.
Yeah, you showed it was possible, what you've been working on. That's great.
Yeah, it showed the possibility of like producing a multiple product from a single feedstocks. That's a big achievement.
Definitely. And what's been the biggest challenge?
Well, you know, in every research, not only research, in every work, there is a challenge, right? So when it's come to my work, especially understanding the property of the materials that are used for the production of these bioethanol or biofuel and biomaterials is challenging. And plus also the method that I used is very challenging, because I combine different methods and bringing together those methods together and then use them for the production of a multiple product, right? So understanding these methods, understanding the property of the material is very challenging. But once you pass that challenging, then you will see an exciting things from that.
Yeah, really challenging, but also almost like a puzzle of how can we combine these different methods that maybe
Yeah,
haven't been put together before and use the materials in a different way.
yeah,
Research is a puzzle.
yeah. Research is a puzzle always. Like you don't know something, but by doing every time, by trying, you will get knowledge, as well as you will bring some solution to the real world. Because as a researcher, we do research that brings us a solution to the real world. Okay, so we are connected with the real world. Without solving the problem of the real world, it's nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. And have you always wanted to work in this energy field, this biofuel field, or was it a surprise?
Uh, I'm a kind of person who admire nature, and I love any work that are related to nature that protects natures. So I just want to keep going to work this. And if you see my research when I was a master student, I do the same thing. I just produce biofertilizers. Those biofertilizers also useful for to protect the soils. So I'm so interested on doing a research that protect the natures. And in Dr. Bressler lab, we developed this strategy that we use these agricultural or forest products, and we produce energy. And this solve the problems of we have a lot of problems related to this, the air pollution, global
Yeah.
warming. So this strategy solve such kind of problems. So I love to work on such kind of research.
Yeah, finding ways to help the earth in all these different ways with these biofuels, biofertilizers. Amazing.
Yeah.
And what is your favorite part about your work?
Well, honestly, as a human being, we have a feeling, right? And we will be happy, and we will be sometimes sad, right? And the best moment and the best parts of my work is the biomaterial, because I know how to produce the bioethanol previously from my experience, but I don't know how to produce this biomaterial, which is called cellulose nanocrystal. So the moment that I produced this biomaterial, I was so excited, and that was my most uh, or best parts in my research life. Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Yes.
Do you have any advice for audience members who are interested in also working in biofuels?
Yeah, I have a lot of advice, but one thing I just want to say that, well, I would like to advise especially students to try small energies experiment in their schools, because the energy experiment, they're cool, and you'll see the effect, you will see everything, you can touch it. So I love to advise the students to try such kind of experiments. And also I would love to invite students to watch our videos, because they can learn a lot of things from that videos. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Trying it yourself, doing a science fair experiment, doing an experiment in your science labs, find what works for you, and that'll really help you figure out what do you like. And as you said, Future Energy Systems has so many different videos from lab tours and experiments to try to see, if I want to work in energy, what's out there and what's possible.
Yes. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Right. Yeah.
Last question. Anything else you want to share with our audience?
Okay. I think I just want to share that for the audience. Let's have a good contact with the researchers, because we researchers spend most of the time in our lab, but we can also go out and do a lot of things. So I need them to see our works, and we also want to share our works also. And finally, I would also like to thank my supervisors, Dr. David Bressler and Dr. Che. And also I would like to thank all the funding agencies, the Future Energy Systems, Innotech Alberta, FP Innovations, and Natural Science and Engineering Research Council of Canada, because without them, this project would not have been possible. So I would like to thank them also.
Absolutely. We definitely need our research supervisors and our funders to make any of the work we do possible.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dagem, for sharing your journey with us today.
Thank you very much, Valerie.
Awesome. Join us next time on It's Nice to Meet You to meet another researcher from Future Energy Systems. Thanks,
Yeah.
everybody. Bye. Thank you so much for watching Future Energy Systems video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Check out the links below to our website and learning page where you can find activities, learning extension, and more. You can also sign up on the website for notifications for future videos and interactive opportunities. There's so much to learn as we explore our energy future.